produce a 3D digital copy of part sculpture, part painting artworks. We began by using photogrammetry to capture the overall shape and appearance. However, photogrammetry does not produce a perfect result. So to ensure the digital copy is highly accurate, some manual adjustments were required. First, we remeshed the raw file to make the digital copy more accessible by reducing the file size, while still retaining the intricate details. The texture of the original work was then baked into the remeshed object, followed by adjustments to the texture and shape to correspond with the features of the original artworks.